Hi, my name is Crimson Kitty, and live we are here in Queens in my living room because I can't leave at all.
The U.S. now has more reported cases of the coronavirus than any other country in the world.
I am representing services to homeless youth at the Hedrick Martin Institute, the largest and oldest non-profit organization dedicated to the equivalency, the empowerment, advocacy, and education of our LGBTQIA+ youth. Why I'm here today is because I'm combining my two loves, drag and do-it-yourself. What I'm going to be doing is showing you a series of videos on how to make cool things like hand sanitizer and do-it-yourself laundry detergent, and it can probably be found somewhere in your own house. Everything that I will be listing in the videos will be a very low cost, and most things you can get in a dollar store. Just remember, it's a dollar store, and anything higher is price gouging. I'm super happy to be doing this for our youth, and also for anybody that wants to just listen and maybe learn. So, let's do this and see. Get out your aloe vera gel and isopropyl alcohol. There we go. What we're going to do is we're going to just take your simple measuring glass. If you don't have it, you can always fill the amounts that's needed into your container. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 3/4 alcohol. Fill about 3/4 of the cup with alcohol. Add 1/4 of a cup of aloe vera gel. Now we're going to add everything in. And stir, 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 stir. To make things easier for yourself, you can always make the mixture into a container itself, thus getting rid of the bowl method. Take your jar, anything will do, especially if it's recycled or upcycled. I need to find my funnel. If you're making a big batch by bowl, then you can use just a little funnel to funnel your mixture in. And ta-da! You are all set and finished.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube at Crimson Kitty. Many thanks to the Hedrick Martin Institute for allowing me to go on this adventure with you, and also to our Powers interns run by Kimmy. Thank you so much for all your wonderful suggestions. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Meow meow!